Ibrahim Traore is mainly fighting, number one, for Burkina Faso and its people because he is from there. And his fight is to ensure that Burkina Faso becomes a respectable state, a respectable country, and its people have their dignity restored. Burkina Faso is currently dubbed and seen as the most powerful and potent and important Muslim figure in the world.
While Malema is like Traore, who's talking about the color of his skin. I cannot support such people. But I love Traore.
We have been hearing about Ibrahim Traore, and every African country they are speaking about Ibrahim Traore, me included.
Traore is focusing on his country, and there is no one who is assisting him from any other African countries beside those other two countries that actually are fighting the same.